temple, the last visit is Will Gems and Jewelry. That is the last visit. But the first temple, Instagram temple, well known and famous about dressing Thai costume. Once of your life to dress Thai costume, 300 baht rent นะคะ And this is a photo of the other optional tour, pay extra. This is a dinner cruise along Chao Phraya River, main river in Bangkok. Include transfer, sushi, salmon, unlimited beer, free flow. A lot of activities on cruise is cabaret bakla show, Thai dance. You have booked already or not yet?
No, not yet.
This is a dinner cruise with transfer.
Yeah, how much?
1,500 baht per person.
Per
include
person.
transfer, pick up, drop. Because you call bakla, yeah? Bakla, lady boy.
Bakla. Yeah, bakla.
Yeah, bakla.
Tagalog.
Cabaret show, yeah? And this is at night and daytime. We have floating market with elephant show or elephant riding.
Oh, can we do it tomorrow?
Yes, yeah, if you have day free, yeah? You train market. The train will come inside the market and then the seller move the shop from the railway. So that is a train market. The second visit is floating market, but we will take long tail speedboat. Yes, to visit floating market by boat.
Ano daw, kung gusto nyo ngayon, after ng tour natin, mag-ano tayo, sa floating market at saka train market yata. 1,004 equivalent to 2,692. Gusto nyo? Ang isa. Okay? Okay. Okay daw. Yeah, it's okay for them. We can go straight from the...
So, where will we eat our lunch?
At floating market.
Okay.
Yes.
So, tomorrow, 12 o'clock, out mo, pwede ba makala?
Oo. Bisaya, taga-asa ka?
Davao.
Davao. Katupo ako ng istorya ganiha kay taga Davao.
Pero kasapat man lagi ka Bisaya.
Ako mister kay taga Bohol. Pero di kaayo, gamay ra.
When King Ramadanai passed away already, but the current king automatic to be the king, but we have to wait for to do royal ceremony. That's why the current king he was ascended to the throne to be the king only 4 years. Thailand head by the king and the government style in parliamentary style.
Yeah.
Got the model from Britain.
Yeah.
But a little bit different is in Britain only the first child can to be queen or king.
Yes.
But in here, manpower. You can see Thailand king. You cannot see Thailand queen. Queen is king's wife.
Yes.
No, Queen Elizabeth, longest queen in Britain. Also
Yes.
King Ramadanai, the previous king, king's father, long live the king in Thailand. 70 years and 125 days. Thailand population 70 million. But Philippines, you have 110 million. Yeah.
More.
And 5 Miss Universe. That
Yes.
means Philippines have a Miss Universe factory, yeah? And in front of us, that is highlights of Thailand. The Grand Palace and the Temple of Emerald Buddha, where the king lives before, but right now used for tourists to visit. And for special occasion, epic conference in here. And on the left, the Ministry of Defense Department. On the photo along the street, that is a photo of the current king. We are Tha Tien Pier to take ferry ค่ะ
We go down?
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
Visit temple.
Okay, we are now in the temple. Not yet.
All the relatives stay there.
Don't lose sticker นะคะ This is a temple ticket. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Don't lose. Sige, mamaya. We pay
You
later.
done? You got sticker? Oh, excuse me.
Okay, we go follow the leader.
Ferry ready? Ka, let's go. That is the temple we are going to visit. Ferry
Oh,
ready? Let's go.
wow.
Let's go. Ferry. Everyone, this is Man River in Bangkok. Chao Phraya River.
Thank you.
Ferry ready? Ka, let's go. Sticker number 21 นะคะ. Sticker number 21 ค่ะ.
Dali. Goy!
บอกว่าเร็วๆนะพี่ดิมมีเวลาเนาะ
Oh, mag-costume daw kami. Maghanap kami ng isusuot namin.
We have only half an hour นะคะ okay one of your life everyone my step นะคะ be careful
Yes.
step be careful step up
Dami pala itong racket. Kala ko yun ang pupuntahan natin.
air condition room ค่ะ remove the tube this is for example this is for sample นะคะ air condition room inside you choose the color
So papunta na kami ngayon sa temple with our Thai dress. We stay here? Oh, I will go with you. Okay.
yeah
So ayun po ang temple.
and the second photo Queen Mom King's mother she's still alive
Oh,
92-year-old Queen Sirikit I thought you know
Sirikit.
Queen Sirikit yeah,
Yeah,
long
Sirikit.
live Queen in Thailand
Yeah.
okay thank you
But can we take photo inside the temple?
yeah why not
Dahil ang aking English mali-mali. Yeah.
have a look how beautiful of them
Get a picture.
this bed have
So dito na kami ngayon sa temple. Tapos kahirap pala nito mag-akyat na kasaya. Saan tayo mag-akyat doon? Nakuha ako? Dali, dali, oh, masakit dito sa temple kaya ang importante ang sulod. So this is the temple. Puro manihagdan aton ginakadtuan. Ah. Yan. Oh, kuhaan mo ako? Oh, daka, sandali. Yan, dito kami ngayon sa temple na. So, balak namin pumunta sa itaas. Kaya lang, baka hindi namin kakayanin. So dito na lang kami sa baba. Wala doon, may banga. So dito na kami ngayon sa Grill Gem. Ano bang makikita dito, malalaman natin mamaya. May mga kasama natin. Ano ba makikita dito?